Hey guys, Turtle here, back with another video. Today we're gonna make a custom loading screen or loading animation. Choose what you like. Let's start with making an HTML preset. Let's name it loading screen. So we're gonna add a few circles and animate them. So let's start with a div and call it, give it a class of loading, because that's gonna be the container for our loading animation. Let's do another div, give it a class of circles, and then inside let's do a span. So the spans are just gonna be empty tags, but they're gonna be styled to look like circles. We're gonna have a square with 4x4 circles. So right now we have 4. Let's do 1, 2, 3. So now we did it 4 times. We have 16 spans. Let's add a link for our CSS. Let's do to back style CSS. Okay, I'm using Sass, which basically shortens CSS and then it converts it. So you're gonna see the full CSS at the end of the video if you like, but I'm gonna use Sass. What I usually do, what everyone does, is margin 0 and padding 0. That's just to remove all the unnecessary spaces. Then let's do loading. Let's give it a background color of black. Yeah, okay, we need a width of 100% and a height of 100 VH. Okay, actually, now let's do this for, okay, we need body. And then do this and that. And let's give this a display flex, align item center, and justify content center. Yes. Okay, yeah, just needed to refresh the page. So now we have a black screen. What do we do next? Remember we made this circles div. Let's style that circles, and let's do a display grid. And then do grid template columns. Let's do a repeat of 4, and then let's do 40 pixels. Let's do 20 pixels. I like 20 better. Grid template rows, and let's copy because it's the same thing. Okay, that seems good for now. Let's animate the spans. I mean style. So we're gonna do a background color of red, and then a border radius of 50%. Why is this showing me an error? Okay, let's just do 20 pixels, 20 pixels, 20 pixels, 20 pixels. It doesn't seem to like that repeat function, so let's do that. Okay. Let's why are we not seeing it? Oh, it's because it's circle. We have circles. Yeah, okay, makes sense. Let's give this a display flex, align item center, and justify content center. So we have it in the middle. Okay, let's start animating, I guess. Let's do animation. Let's call it scale. And then we're gonna do 2 seconds, linear, and infinite. Okay, now let's make the animation. So we'll do add keyframes, tab. I'm pressing tab to finish it. Okay, let's call it scale, and let's do 50%. It's not scale, it's transform scale. So because we need to change it, so it transforms it. Let's do 0.5. Yeah, you see how that's working? Okay, that's fine. Let's change its color maybe. Let's do background color transparent. Yeah, you see how it kind of like fades out? That's very, very cool. Let's animate the whole circles thing. So let's give this an animation of rotate. Let's give it as 2 seconds and linear and infinite. Don't need all of that. And so now we need to do add keyframes, identifier, nope, let's do rotate. Oh, that didn't work. Where is it? Let's copy that, paste that there. Let's do 100%, transform, rotate, and let's do 180 degrees. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. Okay, let's add a 50% and do transform scale 1.5. Yeah, that's, here you go, a simple animation for a loading screen. You can add this to a website when you have a lot of files. You can change the colors, you can add borders, or you can why you don't even need circles, you can make them squares. You can customize this as much as you like. So yeah, here's the CSS. I'm gonna slowly go through this. You can pause at any time, and yeah, check out all my other videos and hope this helps.